Welcome to Brainetainment, the channel where learning and entertainment go hand in hand. We're dedicated to providing intriguing, thought-provoking content that encourages curiosity and fuels the mind. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of hormones, specifically focusing on estrogen. Estrogen, it's a word we often hear, but what exactly is it? Let's unravel this mystery. Estrogen, you see, is a group of hormones primarily associated with the female reproductive system. It's a vital player in the grand game of human biology, responsible for developing and regulating the female reproductive system and secondary sex characteristics. However, it's not just a one-team player. Estrogen is also produced in men, just in smaller quantities. In males, it's involved in modulating libido, erectile function, and the production of sperm. So it's not just a female hormone, as it's often labeled. In essence, estrogen is a biological maestro conducting the symphony of our bodies, irrespective of gender. It's like the secret ingredient in a recipe, not always at the forefront, but essential nonetheless. So even though we associate it with women, both genders produce this hormone. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the role of estrogen in women. Estrogen, often referred to as the female hormone, plays a pivotal role in the development and maintenance of the female body. It's like the unsung heroine of a woman's life journey, silently working behind the scenes from puberty to menopause. When a girl reaches puberty, estrogen is the star of the show. It's responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as the growth of breasts and the widening of hips. It also kickstarts the menstrual cycle, setting the stage for the potential of pregnancy each month. Speaking of pregnancy, estrogen takes center stage again. It's responsible for thickening the lining of the uterus, preparing it to receive and nurture a fertilized egg. It also stimulates the growth of the placenta and helps the breast prepare for lactation. But estrogen's role extends beyond reproductive health. It is also crucial for maintaining bone health. It works in harmony with calcium, vitamin D, and other hormones to effectively break down and rebuild bones, thereby maintaining their strength and density. As women age and approach menopause, estrogen production declines. This can lead to various symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. It's like a roller coaster ride, but one that eventually smooths out as the body adjusts to its new normal. And let's not forget about estrogen's influence on mood. It affects the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, appetite, and sleep. It's like the body's natural mood enhancer, helping to keep those emotional ups and downs in check. From adolescence to adulthood, pregnancy to menopause, estrogen is there every step of the way. It's a key player in the symphony of hormones that orchestrate the complex process of being a woman. Evidently, estrogen plays a crucial role in a woman's overall health and well-being. But what about men? What role does estrogen play there? Estrogen, more often associated with women, also plays a vital role in men's health. Although produced in smaller quantities in men than in women, it's still essential for a variety of bodily functions. Let's start with libido, erectile function, and sperm production. Estrogen helps regulate these crucial aspects of male sexual health. It may surprise some, but this hormone is necessary for maintaining a healthy libido and ensuring the proper functioning of the male reproductive system. In addition to its role in sexual health, estrogen also contributes to bone health in men. It assists in the regulation of bone turnover, which is the process of old bone being replaced by new bone. Without adequate levels of estrogen, men could face a higher risk of developing osteoporosis, a condition characterized by brittle and fragile bones. Now let's talk about mood. Estrogen has a significant impact on mood regulation in men. It influences the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter known to contribute to feelings of well-being and happiness. Low levels of estrogen can lead to mood swings, depression, and anxiety. Estrogen also plays a role in the health of the heart and arteries. It helps to maintain the flexibility of blood vessels, allowing them to dilate and contract as needed. This ability is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and circulation. Moreover, it contributes to the maintenance of healthy skin. It aids in the production of collagen, a protein that gives skin its elasticity and strength. Without sufficient estrogen, men may notice their skin becoming thinner and less elastic over time. To sum up, even though estrogen is most commonly associated with women's health, it is equally significant in men. helping regulate sexual health, bone health, mood, heart health, and even skin health. So it's clear that estrogen, while lesser known in men, is equally important for their health and well-being. What happens when estrogen levels aren't balanced? Let's dive into this intriguing question. We've discussed the essential roles estrogen plays in both men and women, but like a tightrope walker, it's all about balance. When estrogen levels teeter off that thin line, a cascade of health issues can ensue. Let's start with what happens when estrogen levels soar too high. In women, an excess of estrogen can lead to a myriad of symptoms, including mood swings and irregular periods. It can also contribute to weight gain, especially around the abdomen and thighs. Now for men, high estrogen levels can lead to increased body fat, a decrease in muscle mass, and the development of so-called man boobs. Additionally, men may experience a lowered libido and erectile dysfunction. On the flip side, what if there's too little estrogen? In women, low estrogen levels often go hand in hand with menopause, leading to hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness. It can also result in mood changes and fatigue, but perhaps one of the most severe consequences of low estrogen in women is osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. Men are not immune to the effects of low estrogen either. Although estrogen is often thought of as a female hormone, men need it too, just in smaller amounts. Low estrogen in men can lead to excessive fatigue, depression, and an increased risk of heart disease. Fertility can also be impacted by imbalances in estrogen levels. High levels in women can prevent the ovaries from releasing an egg, a process known as ovulation. In men, high estrogen can decrease sperm count and affect sperm motility, both of which are crucial for conception. So you see, it's not just about having estrogen in our bodies, but having the right amount. Too much or too little, and our health may pay the price. As with most things in life, balance is key when it comes to estrogen. And there we have it, the lowdown on estrogen in both men and women. We've explored the vital role this hormone plays in our bodies, from regulating menstrual cycles in women to maintaining bone health in men. We've also delved into the potential consequences of imbalances in estrogen levels, underscoring the importance of hormonal balance for overall health and well-being. It's fascinating stuff, isn't it? Knowledge like this helps us understand our bodies better, making us more equipped to take care of our health. Thank you for joining us on Brainetainment. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep your minds active and curious.